Teacher's Bell. We're learning rings a bell.
Good day, everyone! Welcome to Science 3 Revised K-12 Curriculum, Quarter 2, Week 6, Basic Needs of Living Things. Learning Objective. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to identify what living things need to survive. Recognize that plants need sunlight, air, and water to survive. Recognize that animals need air, food, and water to survive. Recognize that animals need shelter to survive. Activating prior knowledge. What do you need every day to stay alive? Yes, our basic needs. Our basic needs, we have food, water, air, clothing, and shelter. Do you think plants and animals also need the same things? Okay, let's find out. Yes, just like us, living things have needs. Without these needs, they cannot live, grow, or stay healthy. Do you think plants also need food or nutrients like us? Yes? Of course! Where do they get it? Yes, plants get the nutrients they need from the soil. Lesson Language. Unlock difficulties in understanding the following terms. Food. Our first word is food. F-O-O-D. Food. This gives energy to live and grow. Our second word is water. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. This keeps living things alive and healthy. Third is air. Air. A-I-R. Air is used for breathing and staying alive. Next is shelter. Shelter. S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Shelter. It is a safe place to live and rest. Sunlight. Sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight. It is the light from the sun that plants need to make food. For our discussion, basic needs of living things. 1. All living things have needs. Every living thing, whether a person, an animal, or a plant, must have certain things to survive. Without these needs, they cannot live, grow, or reproduce. Like a child needs food to grow taller and stronger. A plant needs sunlight to stay green and healthy. A dog needs water after playing. Without these needs, they cannot live, grow, or reproduce. If you forget to water your plant at home, what will happen to it? Yes, it will wilt and may die because plants need water to survive. 2. Plants' basic needs. Did you know that plants do not eat food like animals do? Yes, instead they make their own food using sunlight, water, and air. Sunlight. Plants use sunlight to make their own food. Without sunlight, plants cannot grow properly. Air. Plants take in a gas called carbon dioxide from the air, which they use to make food. Water. Plants need water to carry food to all their parts. Without water, they will wilt and die. What will happen if you put a plant inside a dark room with no sunlight? Yes, it will become weak and may die because it cannot make food. 3. Animals' basic needs. Unlike plants, animals cannot make their own food. They need to find it. Animals' basic need: air. All animals breathe air. Fish take oxygen from water. People and land animals take oxygen from the air. Animals' basic need: food. Food gives them strength and energy to move, grow, and play. Animals' basic need: water. Water keeps animals alive and helps in digestion, movement, and cooling the body. Shelter. Shelter protects animals from weather, enemies, and danger. Birds build nests. Dogs may live in a kennel, and people live in houses. Why do you think birds build nests on trees? Yes, to have a safe place to rest, to lay eggs, and protect their young. 4. People's need. We have the shelter, the air, the food, the water, and the clothing. We need air to breathe, food and water to survive, and shelter for protection. We also need sunlight for warmth and for our health. What will happen if people do not have houses or shelter? Yes, they will be in danger from heat, cold, rain, and wild animals. Activity. What is the missing need? Listen to the situation. Think about which basic need is missing. Then, answer what will happen if the need is missing. Are you ready? Yes, you're ready! 1. A plant is kept in a dark room. It has water and air, but no blank. Yes, it has no sunlight. What will happen if the need is missing? Yes, the plant cannot make food and will become weak. 2. A dog is left outside without a kennel or house. It has food, water, or air, but no blank. Yes, no shelter. What will happen if the need is missing? Yes, the dog will feel cold, unsafe, and unprotected. What is the missing need? A child is playing all day but does not eat any rice, fruits, or vegetables. He has water, air, and shelter, but no blank. No food, yes. What will happen if the need is missing? Yes, the child will feel weak and sick. 4. A fish tank has clean water and food, but there is no space for air bubbles. The fish have no blank. No air or oxygen. What will happen if the need is missing? Yes, the fish cannot breathe and will die. What is the missing need? A farmer could not water his plants for several days. They get sunlight and air but no blank. Yes, no water. What will happen if there is no water? Yes, the plants will dry up and die. Why is it important for all living things to have all of their needs, not just some? Yes, because each need has a special role. Water keeps them alive. Food gives energy. Air is for breathing. Sunlight helps plants make food. And shelter gives safety. Generalization. 1. All living things have needs. 2. Plants need sunlight, air, and water to survive. 3. Animals need air, food, and water. 4. Animals and people also need shelter to stay safe. 5. Without these basic needs, living things cannot live, grow, or stay healthy. Evaluation. Multiple choice. Get your notebooks. Are you ready? Okay. Choose the correct answer. 1. Plants need sunlight to blank. A. Sleep. B. Make food. C. Play. What protects animals from danger and weather? A. Shelter. B. Air. C. Water. 3. Which need gives people and animals energy? A. Air. B. Food. C. Sunlight. 4. If a fish has no clean water, what will happen? A. It will swim faster. B. It will die. C. It will fly. 5. What happens to a plant without water? A. It grows faster. B. It dries and dies. C. It becomes a tree. 6. All living things need blank to breathe. A. Food. B. Air. C. Shelter. 7. Plants use blank from the sun to make their own food. A. Water. B. Sunlight. C. Soil. 8. Animals drink blank to stay alive. A. Juice. B. Water. C. Milk. 9. Birds build nests for blank. A. Shelter. B. Fun. C. Food. 10. A fish needs clean blank to live. A. Water. B. Air. C. Shelter. Alright, evaluation answers. Are you ready to see the answers? Okay. Plants need sunlight to B. Make food. 2. What protects animals from danger and weather? The answer is A. Shelter. 3. Which need gives people and animals energy? The answer is B. Food. 4. If a fish has no clean water, what will happen? The answer is B. It will die. 5. What happens to a plant without water? The answer is B. It dries and dies. 6. All living things need blank to breathe. The answer is B. Air. 7. Plants use blank from the sun to make their own food. The answer is B. Sunlight. 8. Animals drink blank to stay alive. The answer is B. Water. 9. Birds build nest for blank. The answer is A. Shelter. 10. A fish needs clean blank to live. The answer is A. Water. Good job, kids! Great job!
Teacher's bell. We're learning rings a bell.